Today we're going to talk about adding s. We know that a noun names a person, animal, place, or thing. A plural noun names more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Add s to most nouns to make them plural. Let's look at some examples of singular and plural nouns in sentences. One rooster pecked. Rooster is singular because it tells about one. Two roosters pecked. Roosters is plural because it talks about more than one. We added an s at the end to make it plural. The bucket leaked. Bucket is singular because it tells about one. Both buckets leaked. Buckets has an s at the end because it is plural. It's talking about more than one.